A fucking idiot. You know, so I'm not work. I dive marsh and sell it. But all the blood clot, a woman will tell me something to buy her a fridge. And I never have a bumbo clot icebox in my yard. I never have an icebox. We keep ice water. I just drink natural blood clot pipe water. A woman can tell me to buy a blood clot fridge. Me that cool. Yeah. Me that cool on the blood clot fridge. So when you say you wouldn't buy her a fridge, you wouldn't buy the girl a fridge. The girl want a fridge, you wouldn't buy the fridge. Yeah, idiot, you know. Come like all your pussy clot idiot too. Me can't have blood clot icebox and go buy a girl fridge, so me don't want fridge too. Eh? Me don't want put on meat from fridge and stop go bother neighbor. You think all the while me I have time to go call people out? Hello Miss Girlie, hello Miss Nama, hello Miss Esther, you can put on this to me? No sir. What happened one day you come for your meat one Sunday morning early? When you buy your meat over weekend and people ain't gone. Gone. You go for your meat, you go for your nice chicken or your piece of pork or your beef. You say the people ain't gone at church who a bumbo clot your cuss. But that me never catch it. I catch me too much time so I stop by them something there. I just wait till a man time go to Mr. Gary supermarket. Either pound of chicken back, or pound of chicken, or 2 pound, or anything that the family could eat. But now me alone, I just go to Miss Juicy, go buy a food. I go up a Suchu, or the browning from Stanton with the sell out of Teddy Lee. But right now this is dog rice, I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't take my blood clot money buy enough fridge and get and I have blood clot icebox in my yard. Yeah, that. Not even standing fridge or deep freeze. Rassie! 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 Yeah, I see my friend from England shouting out like fucking hell. Those people got big fridge, yeah, Indian father and them sister, them Rassie. Them have big blood clot fridge and a man for his cottage. What you talking about? Hear me now. Anybody, any man or a husband want to go see somebody and buy them a fridge, they must have work and have good money. I don't have no money. I don't live with no girl, I don't have my wife. I don't have my baby mother. We don't have no pitney. Merry Christmas, how you doing? It don't make sense to force yourself in a barrel when matches box can hold you. Full jar yourself the way you can.